That was my dad's sneeze, I'm just telling you. So, I am Anderson Kennedy. My dad is Maurice Kennedy. He works for Palm Harbor Home.
That's me.
And this is my introduction. I was born in Dallas, Texas. We're at North Carolina right now. As you can see, there's all the woods, trees up there. And there's my grandparents' house. We're in the backyard, technically. But they don't have fences. And what's funny is my dad was born here too.
I told him yesterday to tell you there's a ladder in the garage.
I mean, I call him.
Please send us the pictures because I want to see them too.
So when my dad was in, like, Dad, how old were you when you could just, like, in 7th or 6th?
That sounds good, but this is your video, so go with it.
Okay. So, like, there was a school over here somewhere. Like, out farther there. So, you could just walk out of the school and go home. And then there's a little path. He has a key. He has a key to get into his house.
No.
He has a key into his house. So he could just go home, use the toilet.
Are you getting down? Well, hold on, I can't help you and do a video at the same time, so
I don't know.
check out and say we'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow.